Like me, do you also forget to take the follow-ups for your activities such as invoice follow-up, meetings, sales, payment, projects, services, and a list of other? Yes? Now you can put your mind at ease. Since in this YouTube video, we are going to demonstrate to you how to highlight the follow-up dates automatically in the Google Spreadsheet. In other words, from now, your Google Sheet will remind you to take the follow-ups all automatically. Sounds amazing, huh? Let's initiate the process and make this entire updating system automated. To trigger the process, first open up your Google Spreadsheet in which you've mentioned all the details for the follow-up process. For instance, here we have taken the information like customer name, contact details, last contact date, follow-up date, notes, etc. Now, you're required to select the column that contains your follow-up dates. Next to this, tap on the Format drop-down showing at the top of the spreadsheet and select the Conditional Formatting option. Here, you have to select the Custom Formula is option from the Format cell if drop-down. Now, you have to enter the formula or value in the format rule, which is equals E1 equals today, to highlight the follow-up dates automatically. You can also add the styles based on certain conditions you'll mention. Like you can change the color of the follow-up dates, make them bold, italic, and more based on your preference before clicking on the Done button. Once it's done, you will see that no any date has been highlighted there. This is because there is no any present date mentioned in the spreadsheet means there is no follow-up. As you turn the date into the current one, and as it matches with today's date, all the current date holding cells will get highlighted with the color you've selected. This is how you can make your Google Spreadsheet automated and all the follow-up dates highlighted by following these simple few steps. Don't forget to share, like, and follow our YouTube channel for more such informative videos.